In this video, I'll show you how to remove dependencies in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the task in which has your dependencies. Now, let's say I have a project. Within there, I have my dependencies. So on the left-hand side, click on projects. It will take you to your project overview. From there, I will choose my website design. Now from here, you want to head over to the task that has the dependency. Now let's say that this will be the initial design. On the right hand side, it will automatically show you the details. And at the bottom below the due date, you will automatically see dependencies. Now, in order for you to remove, what you need to do is head over to the dependency on the right hand side, click on the X to remove that dependency. And as you can see, if we head over to purpose, if we add the same dependency, as you can see, we are able to do that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.